Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you step by step on how to sign up for Limitless. First thing you want to do is, of course, you want to have the funds in your account. You need the Tron and you need the USDT. I'm only going to be purchasing the first pack today, and then I'm going to be upgrading the Founders pack later. You want to, of course, have the address the link for the person that you're joining. You want to have it copied in your clipboard, and then you want to go to discover. I already have it saved here, but I'm going to be using the link that I'm using now, and we're going to go here. You're going to hit I understand. This is in the Token Pocket wallet. It's going to pull up. It's going to say welcome to Limitless. You're going to connect your wallet. So wallet's connected, and then you're gonna pick what pack you want. Of course, this one's already selected. And then it's gonna ask you to create a nickname. It has to be all lowercase letters. And then you want to click this. I read the disclaimer. No spaces either. And so then you hit approve. And there's gonna be two. You got to click all these boxes in this particular app. It's going to show you here. Approve. It's 20 TRX for this time. It could increase. And then you want to put in your password. I'm going to pause it here when I put my password. Put in your password, and with Token Pocket you can enable the fingerprint. Confirm. Fingerprint. So transaction approved is pending, and so I can go back to purchases, and you'll see this says processing. It will take a few seconds to process, but then you'll see, once it processes, you'll see where it says processing, contribute 100, and you will be able to contribute there. It's going to take some time. I'll be right back when it finishes. Actually, I'm going to leave this live so you can see how long it takes. And so you can back out of this and then come back later. I wouldn't recommend it, just because you don't want to forget to do the second part for the process. And now you see it says success at the bottom, and now it says contribute. And so it's another transaction. This one particularly costs $9. Put in there, and then same thing again. You can go back to purchases. As soon as this thing turns, it'll say complete. It'll tell you how much you need for the next level. And then this one will be grayed out, and it's going to only highlight the next pack on here. So it still says processing right now. Give it a few more seconds. And transaction, it says transaction is pending. And you can see now the checkout details have changed, and then this Academy pack is grayed out because I already purchased it. It's just still processing the fact that it's putting all the details in. And there's another way to go to profile, and then you'll see your total purchases, 100 USDT or whatever size pack that you purchased, and then you see it's popped up down here, success, and then you can see it's highlighted here. It says Academy pack, and so with each pack that you purchase, it'll highlight that next pack. And then of course it has all the information here about what's new and what's not new. But that's it on signing up. After you do that and you want to refer people, you go up here to the top and you click copy referral link, and that is what you will send your referrals that you want to add to the program. Pretty simple stuff.